Achieving virality on TikTok isn't just about luck. It's a strategy that anyone can master with the right approach. TikTok has become a stage where everyday people, from teenagers to grandmothers and even pets, have garnered millions of views. If you've ever wondered why some users consistently go viral while others struggle to break through, the secret lies in understanding TikTok's unique ecosystem and using proven strategies to maximize your chances. Let's explore a step-by-step foolproof guide to making TikTok work for you and consistently achieving viral success: the algorithm, your partner in success. TikTok operates differently from other social media platforms. It doesn't focus solely on your follower count, but rather emphasizes engagement, likes, comments, shares, and watch time. This means even a brand new creator can have their content featured on the For You page, FYP, TikTok's main discovery hub. To succeed, your goal is to create content that captivates, entertains, or sparks conversation. Understanding this dynamic gives you an edge. TikTok's algorithm rewards creators who deliver value in a compact, engaging format. Whether your video is funny, emotional, or educational, what matters most is how it resonates with your audience. Reposting, reviving your content's potential. Many creators underestimate the power of reposting. If you have a video that's already gained traction, let's say over 10,000 views, don't let it gather digital dust. Reposting allows you to give that content a second life. Use tools like Snaptik to download your video without the TikTok watermark, then simply upload it again on the same account. TikTok treats this as fresh content, offering it another chance to reach viewers. Why is this so effective? TikTok's audience is constantly changing. People who missed your video the first time might see it during its second run. Plus, reposting can sometimes outperform the original. A video that initially gained 50,000 views might hit 2 million views upon reposting. The algorithm sometimes favors familiar, successful formats and amplifies their reach even further. To stay organized, create a repost folder on your phone. Every time a video performs well, save it there. This way, when you're too busy to create new content, you can simply repost one of your proven hits. Stick to a consistent schedule, such as reposting every 3 days. Over time, you'll build a library of high-performing content ready to use whenever you need it. Recreating, the art of refining success. Another powerful technique is recreating your successful videos. Think of this as a remix of your original idea. Instead of uploading the same content, analyze what made the original video work, whether it was the hook, timing, or overall concept, and recreate it with subtle tweaks. For instance, if your video featured a specific hook or visual effect that captivated viewers, keep those elements, but present them in a new way. Change the background, adjust the wording slightly, or add fresh captions. Recreating isn't copying, it's iterating. It's about capturing the same energy and appeal while presenting it as something new. The beauty of this method is that it allows you to perfect your content. If the lighting or audio wasn't ideal in the original video, you can fix it in the recreated version. Additionally, viewers are unlikely to notice that the video is inspired by a previous one as long as it feels fresh and engaging. Recognizing patterns, doubling down on what works. TikTok success often comes down to pattern recognition. Not every video you create will go viral, and that's okay. The key is to analyze your hits and figure out what made them resonate. Was it the storytelling, the timing, the use of a trending sound? Once you identify the common threads, double down on those elements in your future content. Getting your first million views can feel like an uphill battle, but once you crack the code, scaling from 1 million to 10 million becomes significantly easier. This is because you've already identified what works. From here, it's about refining your approach and producing content that aligns with the successful patterns you've discovered. Engage, interact, and build community. TikTok isn't just a platform for content, it's a community. To truly thrive, you need to engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask questions in your captions, and encourage viewers to duet or stitch your videos. The more interaction your content generates, the more likely TikTok is to push it to a wider audience. For example, you can create content that invites viewers to share their opinions or experiences. A simple "what do you think?" at the end of your video can spark hundreds of comments. Additionally, engaging with your audience builds loyalty. When viewers feel connected to you, they're more likely to watch, like, and share your content, boosting your overall reach. Experimenting with trends and hooks. While reposting and recreating are effective, don't forget to stay innovative. TikTok trends move fast, and keeping up with them can help you stay relevant. Participate in trending challenges, use popular sounds, and experiment with different hooks. Hooks are the first few seconds of your video, and they determine whether someone keeps watching or scrolls away. Make them count. A strong hook might be a bold statement, an intriguing question, or an unexpected visual. For example, starting your video with "you won't believe this" or "here's what nobody tells you about" immediately grabs attention. Pair this with quick, engaging visuals to keep viewers watching until the end. Consistency and patience, the winning formula. Success on TikTok requires persistence. Not every video will be a hit, and that's part of the process. The key is to keep posting, learning, and refining your content. TikTok rewards consistency, so aim to post regularly. Even if your content doesn't perform well initially, don't get discouraged. The algorithm is unpredictable, and sometimes a video can suddenly take off weeks after it's uploaded. Treat every video as an opportunity to learn, analyze its performance, experiment with different styles, and adjust your approach based on what works. Over time, you'll build a deeper understanding of what resonates with your audience and develop a system that maximizes your chances of going viral. The long game: building sustainable growth. Going viral is exciting, but the real goal is sustainable growth. Reposting and recreating successful content are excellent strategies to maintain momentum, but always leave room for innovation. Keep testing new ideas, exploring different formats, and expanding your creative range. TikTok is constantly evolving, and staying adaptable is key to long-term success. With patience, creativity, and a strategic approach, you can transform your TikTok account into a platform that consistently delivers viral content. So start applying these strategies today and watch your TikTok presence soar. Are you ready to turn your videos into viral sensations? The stage is yours. Go make it happen.